Imagine this for just one moment. You're flying an airplane. Clear skies, calm ocean below, everything feels normal. Then suddenly, your compass needle starts spinning like it's trying to win a game show. Your GPS freezes, your instruments stop making sense, and you think to yourself, okay, this is not good. This exact situation has been reported by pilots and sailors for decades. In one of the most mysterious places on Earth, the Bermuda Triangle. Ships vanish, planes disappear, and the ocean keeps its secrets. But today, scientists say they've finally cracked the mystery. And the truth might surprise you. So, what exactly is the Bermuda Triangle? The Bermuda Triangle is a stretch of ocean in the Atlantic roughly between Florida, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico. People also call it the Devil's Triangle, which honestly sounds like a place you shouldn't go unless you enjoy danger and paperwork. But here's the weird thing. You won't find the Bermuda Triangle on official maps. No borders, no warning signs, no floating skulls. It's not officially recognized by governments at all. Yet somehow, it became one of the most feared places on the planet. So how did that happen? The disappearance that started it all. Let's go back to December 5th, 1945. 5 U.S. Navy planes took off on a routine training mission. These weren't rookie pilots. They knew what they were doing. The weather was fine. The skies were clear. Then one pilot radioed something chilling. Our compasses are malfunctioning. Soon after, silence. All 5 planes vanished. Even stranger, a rescue plane sent to look for them also disappeared. That's 6 planes and 27 people, gone without a trace. No confirmed wreckage, no final explanation. This single incident lit the match for everything that followed. Naturally, humans blamed aliens. Once people realized something strange was happening, the theories exploded. Some said the legendary city of Atlantis was buried under the ocean, using ancient crystal energy that messed with ships and planes. Others believed the triangle was a stargate, used by aliens as a cosmic shortcut. There were even theories about time portals, where planes accidentally jump forward or backward in time. Cool ideas? Absolutely. Scientific evidence? Not so much. So scientists stepped in and asked a simple question. What if the answer isn't mysterious, but mathematical? The ocean is a very good crime scene cleaner. Here's something most people don't realize. The Bermuda Triangle sits in one of the busiest travel zones on Earth. Thousands of ships, thousands of flights, every single year. Now add this: sudden storms, massive rogue waves, some over 100 feet tall, waterspouts, basically tornadoes over water, strong ocean currents that drag wreckage away fast. If something goes wrong out there, the ocean doesn't leave evidence. It deletes it. Imagine dropping your phone in the ocean. You're not finding it again. Now imagine dropping an airplane. What about those giant rogue waves? Scientists discovered that storms in the Bermuda Triangle can approach from multiple directions at once. When waves collide just right, they can form rogue waves, giant walls of water that appear suddenly and disappear just as fast. To a ship, it's like being hit by a moving building. To the ocean afterward, nothing happened. No wreckage floating, no clues left behind. Just silence. Okay, but what about the spinning compasses? This is where things sound spooky. But the explanation is actually simple. Most places on Earth point toward magnetic north, but parts of the Bermuda Triangle point closer to true north. If pilots don't adjust properly, especially during bad weather, navigation errors can snowball fast. Think of it like using Google Maps. But your phone is upside down, and it's raining, and you're moving at 500 miles per hour. Mistakes happen. Big ones. So why do some planes and ships pass through safely? Great question. Because most of them do. Statistically, the number of disappearances in the Bermuda Triangle is no higher than anywhere else on Earth. It just feels more dangerous because the stories are famous. It's the same reason flying feels scarier than driving. even though driving is way more dangerous. Our brains are wired to fear mystery. We can also see NASA's take on the Bermuda Triangle. Even organizations like NASA have looked into the mystery. Their conclusion? No alien bases, no portals, no supernatural forces, just a dangerous mix of heavy traffic, severe weather, human error, and an ocean that hides mistakes very well. In other words, the Bermuda Triangle isn't cursed, it's just unforgiving. Why the legend refuses to die. So if science mostly explains it, why do we still talk about it? Because mysteries are fun. A missing ship blamed on bad weather is a report. A missing ship blamed on aliens is a legend, and legends stick. Final thought. So, has science cracked the Bermuda Triangle mystery? Mostly yes. Violent weather, navigation mistakes, busy travel routes, and an ocean that never gives back what it takes. But let's be honest, if your compass started spinning in the middle of the Atlantic, you'd still panic. Now tell me, if you were flying through the Bermuda Triangle and your instruments failed, what would you do? Would you trust science, or would you think something else was watching? Drop your answer in the comments, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next mystery.